Hey guys, this is Archadeck of Northeast Dallas. Good morning. This is Augie here in Grapevine, showing you that we just finished up a project here with the brand new attached gable to the house, a bar. We did have a pool remodel here with Mediterranean blue. We added a tanning ledge to the pool, new tile, new plaster. We had to added some bubblers. Really beautiful. Once again, this is Mediterranean blue plaster here. We added excess concrete around the old patio there to kind of blend it right back in. As you can see here, we added a privacy wall to cover all the pool equipment there. So this is a huge gable attached to the house, and as you can see here, it's with hardy board finish. We also redid the existing to match, so it all blends right back into the new patio. This was a beautiful project. You can see here, we also added a channel drain between the old patio and the new patio to catch any excess water. So as you can see here, this project's completely done, ready to rock and roll for the summer. And well, they're about to start enjoying it soon. So once again, this is Archadeck of Northeast Dallas, and this is Augustine talking to you out of Grapevine. You guys have a wonderful day.